Hello guys, so once again you're welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you here a newly launched platform, and this platform is 100% pay. And guys, you all need to jump onto it so that we all could make money for this coming Xmas. So over here, I'll click on the share option over here. So over here, let me show you how everything basically works on this platform. So for you to register a new account, it's just as simple as that. You just need to first of all, let me withdraw my balance so that you guys could be able to see my withdrawal proof over here. So I will click on this invest button. I've already deposited into my account. As you can see, my current balance over here for me to withdraw is 1.50 over here. So guys, let me withdraw before I show you guys everything over here. So before I'll even show you how to register. Let me first of all withdraw my balance over here. So let me withdraw my balance over here. I'll click on this option over here, withdrawal option over here. So I just need to type in the withdrawal amount over here, which is 1.50. So I just need to copy this. So it says withdrawal succeeded, guys. Withdrawal succeeded. So guys, whilst waiting for my withdrawal to come into my Binance account, guys, let me show you my current Binance account over here. So guys, this is my current Binance account over here. As you can see, it's 82.26 over here. So guys, let me show you how you basically register a new account. So guys, before you can register a new account, kindly use my referral link in my description box so that you could be able to sign up a new account. So I will click on this I want to register button for you guys to see how the registration is being done. So all you need to do is to type in your email over here, type in your password, you confirm your password, your payment password, and invitation code. So remember to use my referral link so that you could be able to get an invitation code. I'm already having an account, so I'll click back here, and I'll just click on the login button over here. So as you can see, login was successful over here. So guys, over here guys, if you first of all want to earn with this platform, you just need to click on this my button over here. Then you just need to click on this recharge button over here, and you just need to copy this wallet address over here. You copy it, you go back to your Binance over here, then you make a payment as soon as possible. So after making the payment, remember the minimum deposit over here. So guys, boom, my 1.5 USDT has been successfully submitted into my Binance wallet right now over here. So guys, before you can even earn with this platform, you just need to click on this invest option over here so that you could be able to see the type of investment that you want to buy. So with this first one over here is $90. So remember guys, when you sign up with my referral link, you get a bonus of $90. And you just need to top up with only $10, so that you could be able to earn 1.50 cents each and every day, guys. So with this one over here, as you can see, I've already bought this plan 1 over here. I've already bought the plan 1 and plan 2 over here. So with this plan 1, I'm earning a total of 1.50 USDT each and every day. As you could see, guys, my withdrawal has been submitted. Let me refresh for you guys to see. So guys, boom, 83.78. As you guys saw before, it was only 82. So guys, boom, my withdrawal has been successful over here. 1.50 has been added. So guys, all you need to do is to top up. After topping up, you click on this buy over here, and as soon as you buy, you'll be credited with 1.50 each and every day for you to withdraw. So for you to withdraw, as I did before, you just click on this withdrawal option over here. Then you first of all need to add your wallet so that you could be able to withdraw from this platform. And you just need to type in your withdrawal balance over here, then your withdrawal password, then you confirm everything over here. So guys, remember, this platform is really nice, so you can also share it with your friends and family through the team over here, so you just need to share with your friends and family so that you could be able to earn more from this platform. So whenever somebody invests. Okay, so guys, once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV. Remember guys, I did a live withdrawal, a live deposit on this platform just now over here, as you guys could see. So with these plans over here, we have the plan 2 over here, which goes for $140, and you'll be earning 7.50 over here. And the plan 3, it goes for 207, and you will be earning $18 over here. Remember guys, $90 has been credited to you, so you just need to top up the rest so that you could be able to buy all these plans over here, and you can top up with 750, where they've already credited you with 90, and you'll be earning $102 each and every day, guys. So you guys need to jump onto this platform so that we could all earn a lot from this platform. So guys, once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV. If you find videos like this really amazing, just give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all once again for watching Crypto Denzel TV. Bye.